Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello, little buddy. Let's dive into the underwater world of Goldie. This happy goldfish loves to swim, play, and make new friends.
Whoa! Whoa! Fantastic! Fabulous! Whoa! Fantastic! Awesome! Perfect! Whoa!
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Perfect! Perfect!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.